Okay, I'm going to show you just exactly what you do to get your money-making website set up right here, because it's with as they said in there, it's one click. Okay, if you've got a ClickBank account, and this is one former one that I had made up for somebody before in the past. But what you do is you put your ClickBank username in this link, and this link is directly beneath this video that you're watching right now. Okay, click one click on Create, and there is your link. Let me show you what happens when I paste that link into a new page over here. And it takes just a minute for it to load. But I'm going to show you that link right there. That's the link. And there you have it. The money-making website right there. Because when somebody goes to your website, which is right here, they are going to put their information in, and they're going to be led to the second page. And when they join, they're going to pay $47. You're going to receive $35 of that money when they join. So I hope this video was useful, and if you have any questions, get a hold of me, and I'll work it out for you. Okay, thank you.